Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of Among Us like I am, you know how exciting it is to jump into a game full of imposters and crewmates. But with the 2025 updates, signing in might feel a bit different, especially if you're new or haven't played in a while. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can get back to the fun in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Among Us installed on your device. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play, Apple App Store, or Steam, and update the game if needed. This is crucial because the 2025 edition includes enhanced security features that could block older versions from logging in. Once that's done, open the Among Us app. You'll land on the main screen, where you'll see a big Sign In button. Go ahead and tap that. Now, Among Us offers a few ways to sign in, making it super convenient. You can use your Google account, Apple ID, or even create a new Among Us account if you don't have one yet. Let's say you're going with Google. Just select that option and follow the prompts to log in with your email and password. If you're creating a new account, you'll need to enter a username, email, and maybe set up a password. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication if it's available. It's quick and keeps your account safe from those sneaky hackers. After you enter your details, hit submit, and wait for the verification. You might get a code sent to your email or phone. Enter that, and boom, you're in. If you run into any issues, like a login failed error, double-check your internet connection or try resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. Among Us is all about quick games, so we don't want technical glitches holding you back. Once you're logged in, you can customize your character, join a lobby, and start playing. Remember, the 2025 update added cross-platform play, so you can team up with friends on different devices. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay suspicious.